What's up, y'all? So in this video, I'm making this video for y'all because I want y'all to see what's going on. This is the daily time frame. So when I say we need to be in alignment, that means you are looking from a higher time frame. Look how we're dumping on the daily. So in order for us to set up and be in alignment with the market for our buy strategy, you want to make sure that price is hitting a demand level or a bounce area. So based off of what I taught you guys, you have to identify where the next demand level would be, okay? Like where price could bounce. Now, if you're looking here, I see two places where it could bounce, okay? We're currently at a spot where it could bounce because of this level. And then I see another spot where we could bounce, which is here, another support level. So what I want y'all to do is to go and put a line here. Put a line here and then put another line in this area, okay? You can do it at the body or the wick, or you can go ahead and grab this rectangle tool and make a little zone from the wick to the body of the candle, because price could bounce anywhere in here, okay? Let's go ahead and turn that yellow. Let me make this red just so it can match Okay. So this is the area that you're looking for, that price could bounce off of. You can do the same thing here. You can go ahead and find like the body of some candles and make that a little zone, because on these daily charts, you guys, those zones are big. So let's see how many points this is. Looking here and I'm counting here. Let's count. You see 21 up to 42. That is a 20-point zone. So now you see how price is, can't really see it because I'm on the red too, but price was kind of rejecting off this area. So let's drop down to the 4-hour now. And you can see why these levels are significant. Okay, next, let's look at our CCI. Okay, we're all the way down there. We did a huge drop. Let's zoom out. Let's look at everything. Let's look at everything. What are we seeing? We're seeing price is trending up, pulled back, kept going, and now we're all the way back here. So at any one of these areas, price could bounce and start heading back up. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to imagine, if this is how you read price action, if price starts to bounce back up, where will it bounce to? Okay, where can I imagine that it will bounce to? And you just have to look. Let's look to the left. Where are some spots that seems like it can bounce? Okay, there's a few spots here. Here's an obvious level. It could definitely bounce here, because look at that. So I can draw a level there. It could also, and I'll draw a little zone from here to like the bottom of that wick, okay? And then if you look lower, if price, it can bounce right here, something small, right? It can do a little bounce there, all right? So that's what I want you to do, is to identify where it could bounce to, okay? So that's how you'll know, like on a lower time frame, if you take the trade, it will bounce to that level and you can get out of the trade, okay? So for those who want to swing trade, this is a time frame that you will be looking at, okay? So you will be doing the exact same strategy, just on this time frame. Let's grab a trend line tool and draw. I always like to draw them like this, because you see a little area there. Then you can come back in. So you can use this as the break, depending on your style, or you can go in and draw it steeper like that, okay, and try to get that last candle, and then go ahead and set an alert here. You set alert on the trend line, okay? But anyway, I don't want this video to get too long, but this is what's currently happening around right now, and we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. So I started on a daily, okay, because I saw price dropping, okay? But yeah, so just start looking and paying attention and seeing where could we get those rejection areas. All right, happy trading.